Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to add the checkbox in your Word file. So for that, let's go to the Word file. This is my Word file, and for that we need a developer mode, but currently we don't have a developer mode. So for that, we need to go to the files and then to the options. And here you get the option of customize ribbon. Click here and there you can see the developer mode. Simply check this one and you get the developer mode. So now we need to check this again. Sorry for that. Options, and we just need to double check that our developer mode is open. Yeah, here. Okay, and simply click on the okay. So here you can see we get the developer mode. Click here and now you can check, this is the checkbox. Simply click on the checkbox. Here you can see we get the checkbox, and when we simply click on this and you can check this cross icon. So by this following simply method developer and all that options, you get the checkbox in your Word file, and you can also set the position of that checkbox. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye.